Hello and welcome to today's lesson on subnetting and CIDR in networking. In this video, we'll break down the fundamental concepts of subnetting in simple terms so that you can grasp why it's necessary, understand subnet masks, and discover how CIDR adds even more flexibility to network management. If you're an IT support specialist or aspiring network professional, this knowledge is essential for your toolkit. So, let's dive in. To start, let's understand why subnetting is necessary. Imagine the internet as a vast network of interconnected devices. When data needs to travel from one device to another, it needs a path. This is where IP addresses come into play. Address classes help organize the global IP space into discrete networks. For instance, if you want to communicate with the IP address 9.100.100.100, call Reuters on the Internet recognize it as part of the 9.0.0.0 Class A network. They route the message to the gateway router responsible for that network by looking at the network ID. A gateway router serves as the entry and exit point for a specific network. It's like a traffic cop directing data to the right destination. However, there's a challenge with large networks, like Class A networks, which contain a whopping 16,777,216 individual IPs. That's too many devices for a single router to handle efficiently. This is where subnetting comes to the rescue. Subnetting is the process of dividing a large network into many smaller subnetworks or subnets. Each subnet has its own gateway router, serving as the entrance and exit point for that subnet. Now, let's talk about subnet masks. Subnet masks play a crucial role in subnetting by defining the boundaries of these subnets. Think of them as masks that hide or reveal certain parts of an IP address. An IP address is a 32-bit number. Subnet masks consist of two parts, a string of ones followed by zeros. The ones indicate what can be ignored when calculating the host ID, while the zeros specify what to keep. For example, the common subnet mask 255.255.255.0 translates to 24 ones followed by 8 zeros. This means that only the last octet is available for host IDs, providing us with 256 addresses. However, 0 and 255 are usually reserved, leaving 254 addresses for host assignment. Now, let's delve into CIDR, or Classless Inter-Domain Routing. CIDR takes subnetting to the next level by introducing greater flexibility in network design and management. Address classes had limitations, with rigid network size boundaries. CIDR revolutionized this by combining network and subnet IDs into a single identifier, disregarding address classes entirely. With CIDR, network sizes can vary, and routers only need to know one entry in the routing table for a range of addresses. This improves efficiency and simplifies network management. To sum it up, subnetting is the process of dividing large networks into smaller, manageable subnets, each with its gateway router. Subnet masks define the boundaries of these subnets, and CIDR notation simplifies their representation. Whether you're an IT support specialist or aspiring to be one, understanding subnetting and CIDR is essential for troubleshooting network issues and optimizing network performance. We hope this video has provided you with a clear understanding of these concepts. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to sharing more valuable information with you in future lessons.